Want to know why it's so hot this summer? It's because of the AI data centers and the sheer number that they're building across the planet. And here's some info for you. This image is what the AI data center looks like to the human eye. This is what it looks like through a thermal imaging camera. All of that yellow and all of that glowing stuff is heat that is coming out of this data center up into the atmosphere and heating everything up. So far this summer, we have had all of these states in the U.S. hit over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And this isn't just local to the United States. No. But we have more data centers here at 4,011 than anybody else does on the planet. So, what the heck? How do I know this? Because there is a study by Cambridge University that is a little bit of backup on the data that I'm giving you. So let's talk about that real quick. This study found that the land surface around data centers spikes usually 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit around the area, with spikes that can rise up to 16 degrees Fahrenheit around. Okay, and this area around the data center can radiate up to 6.2 miles away. So if you've got that much heat and that much radiated heat coming out from a data center, because those are cooling towers is what they're called, where you see all that stuff that looks like a blowtorch coming out, that's about what it's like. What do you think is going to happen with the sheer number of data centers? Because, let's see, UK 562, US 4,011, Germany 529, Canada 328, Russia 188, China 443, and the list goes on and on and on. So, doesn't it make sense now why it's so freaking hot? Why things are melting? Why your shoes are sticking to the freaking asphalt and melting? It's because of these data centers. This is what is causing it. There's a dark cabal, a group of very powerful people who have lots of money. They have all the money that's trying to control the planet. They have a dark matrix that they put over the divine matrix that existed here before that happened. And they're planning on turning this place into their home, which they call hell, because these are demonic forces. Now, before you laugh at me, stay with me. Because if you don't believe in demons yet, you will very soon. Because this is what is happening to you right now. Every time you walk out and you wonder, why is it so hot? As far as I'm concerned, they can't have this. This is ours. They're not allowed to put any more data centers here, and they're not allowed to scorch our surface. The earth is already fighting back against it because we've got volcanoes, we've got earthquakes, we have fires, we have natural disasters left and right going on. The earth is waking up and she's fighting. And I can't blame her because they're trying to scorch her. Fight against these data centers. They can't have this. The demonic forces cannot have our planet. It's simple as that. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, love is the answer, and we will be victorious over these data centers in the end. I promise.